Hi there. So this question was asked in a comment session. So I'm solving for I10 Gamer. He asked this question here. So the question is, what is the smallest number to multiply or divide from 1925 to get perfect square? So obviously they're saying that smallest number to be multiplied. It means this 1925 is not a perfect square. We have to make it perfect square by either multiplying it or dividing with some smallest number. So to do this, we have to follow a prime factorization method. So we're going to do a prime factorization for this 1925. Let's do this. Okay, so 1925 is an odd number, and this number is not divisible by 2. 2 is a first prime number, and by 3 also it is not divisible. We'll directly go to the next prime number, which is 5. So we'll take 5. So we know 5 3s are 15, so 4 will be left, so that forms a 42. Then 5 8s are 40, so 40 means again 2 will be remainder, and that makes a 25, and 5 5s are 25, so we got 385. Then next, again it's ending with 5, so we'll go again take a 5 as a prime factor. Then we can take 5 7s are 35, so 3 will be left, so that makes again a 35. So here I'll just writing a 3 to make a 35. Again 5 7s are 35. Now we got 77. So the next prime number will be 7. So I'm taking 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So we got 11, and then 11 1s are 11. That's it. So we have done the prime factorization here. So we have to just expand. We just write down 1925 is equal to 5 into 7 into 11. Remember, to number to be a perfect square, there should be a pair of two factors here. Like this is forming a one pair. Okay, I got it 1. But here 7 is alone and 11 is also alone. There's no pair for 7 and 11. So to make it perfect square, there's a two ways. One is multiply. So if I want to multiply, I want one more 7. Right, and I want one more 11 also, so I'm gonna multiply 7 and 11 so that I'll get this as a one pair. So 7 is forming a one pair here, and 11 is also forming a one pair. So if they ask you what is the smallest number to be multiplied, so it will be 7 into 11, both the numbers, because 7 and 11 both are single here. We have to multiply with 7 and 11. So 7 and 11, all I just write 7 into 11. So 7 into 11, which will be 77, will be a smallest number. Will be a smallest number to be multiplied here. Okay, now we got the smallest number, that was 77, because 7 into 11 becomes 77. Now next comes a division. So let me write this again. So we have 1925 will be equal to, so 5 into, I'm just rewriting this, 7 into 11. Now divide means we have to remove the number. So if you see again, this is already a one pair, so we don't have to touch this part. If I remove this 7 from here, if I remove this 11 from here, like if I remove this 2, if I divide it, I will left with 5 into 5, and that is forming a one pair. Right, so if they ask you what is the smallest number to be divided, so we have to remove this number 7 and 11. So 7 into 11 is 77 again. So 77 will be again a smallest number to be divided again. So it's very simple. For multiplication also it's the same 77, for division also it will be the same 77. So smallest number to be multiplied and divide will be 77 only. Okay, and now, so you might be thinking what will be the number if we divide it. So if I multiply 1925, this is not perfect square, with the 77, because 77 was the smallest number, I'll get a huge number, that is 148225, and this number is a perfect square, and square root of this number is 385. Okay, and if they ask you after dividing with the smallest number, so if I divide 1925 with the smallest number, that is 77 again, I will get 25. 5 into 5, 25 I'll get, and we know square root of 25 is 5, and 5 is the answer. So that's it. It's a simple question. I hope you have understood. In case you have a question, you can drop a comment below. Thank you so much.